Hey gang, Mark LeBlanc here, welcoming you back to the Alley Cat Workshop. I've got a fun one for you today. So about a year ago, my two nephews, who are very young, about 6 and 10, asked me to turn for them some Harry Potter wands. And so I started on the project. I got these two blanks done. The first one here has got a walnut handle and in French it's called a merisier. In English I've seen two translations, either golden birch or wild cherry. You pick the one you want. Well, the other guy, he wanted a maple handle and again a wild cherry golden birch wand. So last year what I did is I turned these blanks. The top part, the handle part, has got a tenon. I drilled a mortise in the wand section, glued these together so they're nice and solid. They've just been sitting here for about a year. Then we got the move done and moved into the new shop, new house, and all that. And I decided today, well, might as well get going on these guys because we're starting to loosen up COVID restrictions, and looks like I'll be seeing those two boys in a couple of weeks. So stick around while I turn these two and turn them into magical Harry Potter wands. Oh, I have to apologize. I forgot to put the camera on. What I just did is I rounded over the edge of this particular wand, and also cut off the part that was in the live center. So that now I've got a standing wand at this point. It's nice and smooth. I'm gonna have to sand a little bit the nub here, but overall this is almost ready to go. I gotta now take it off on the other end. Hopefully this is stable enough that it's going to hold. I'm gonna take it very, very, very slowly. All right, here goes. All right, so both wands are pretty much done, and I like the way they look. This is actually a fun, easy project to turn. Just let go of your imagination to find the right shape, and off you go. Now, there's one last thing I need to do with these. If you've read the Harry Potter books, you know that the wands of the wizards have in their, right at the end here, there is something from a magical animal. Typically a feather. For example, Harry's wand has a feather of a phoenix in it. Well, I don't have a phoenix, and I certainly don't have a magical animal, but I do have a cat. So in this little jar, there are 2 whiskers from my cat Ziggy, and I didn't pluck them from him, they just fell, and I collected them. So I'm going to pierce a 1/16 hole in the end here, and I'm going to cut a small piece of the whisker and put it into each of these wands, making them obviously very, very magic at that point. That's the last thing, and then I'll put a coat of finish. If you've enjoyed this, please put thumbs up, leave me a comment. Glad to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you did. Thanks for watching. This has been a lot of fun.